हाय गर्ल्स, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? आई एम मिसिंग ऑल ऑफ यू, स्पेशली दोज classes of ours that we used to have every weekend on the Sundays. The core classes, the stretching and the post stretching core training session and all those chuckles. I'm missing that very much. That COVID has taken everything off from us. But yeah, our target is to keep ourselves fit, that we can do living inside these boundaries of our home too. We have to fight this COVID and to keep our enthusiasm high at the same time, because if we are fit, then we can live it up with our family with the same enthusiasm, and we can transfer this energy to them too, so that our whole family is happy and we are happy and healthy at the same time. So as we were discussing the last time, that now we have done with this core training session and core training for the 15 days that we had been working on. Now it's a time to do some HIITs. I know that you have been staying in the home since long and you are missing your runs, especially those who are regular runners. I know that they are missing their cardios very much. So while we are in home, that we have to do cardios, and that these cardios are very much essential to keep our heart healthy. And so now I have planned these activities on the for the regular basis, so that you can get involved with the group, whole DR group. So today I am posting the 4 videos. In the 4 videos I am involving the core areas and the thigh areas, leg areas. You can see in the 4 videos. The thing is that I want to pass you, or I want to mention you, is only that in every of the exercise you have to engage your core. Please don't leave up engaging, because engagement gives you the complete advantage of that exercise, and you are not neglecting your core anytime. In every of the exercise you have to engage your core every time. This is the only thing I want to pass you. I'll give to message to you. Please engage your core. While in the exercises, you will see that there are 4 type of exercises. So friends, the activity that I am sending you, the very first HIIT activity is the hand to knees. In the hand to knee, you will see that you are touching your hand to your knees. Already you have been acquainted with this activity. This is not the new one for you. So only thing is that you have to do is to engage your core. Along that you have to do this activity for the 15 to 20 seconds, and the repetition is up to you. This is the only thing of the competition, that as many of the repetition of this you want, that you can do. But the minimum time for one session is the 15 to 20 seconds. Then you can take rest of the 15 seconds. This is up to you. You can take rest, and then you can again repeat the activity. So the very first exercise is your hand to knee. The second exercise is wide leg squats. In the wide leg squats, what you are going to do is to widen your leg. It is not the normal squat. In the normal squat, what you have to do is to keep your legs like this. And in the wide squat, you will have to keep your leg widened, so that your feet are facing outwards and your core is engaged. And what you are going to do is your core engaged, your feet are widened, and you are trying to touch the floor with the every of the squat. You are trying to touch your floor, and again stand up. Touch the floor, widen your legs. This is the wide leg squats. And the third activity is what? Your stream rows. Stream rows is also for your abs and your thighs, your buttocks. This involves a wide group of the muscles. In this, what you have to do is to lie down on the prone position, and you have to push the floor with your hands, and you have to use your feet to you are streaming the rows. So the last activity is what you have to in the videos you will see is the hand to knees. In this activity, either you can do standing like this, or you can use the bounces like this. This gives you more and the perfect benefit of the cardios if you are doing it while bouncing like this. The hand to knee is also involving a wide grip of the muscles, like it involves your shoulders, your whole tummy, and your butts, your lower pelvic region, your thighs, your inner thighs, and your legs. This is also very beneficial. Though these exercises may seem you very subtle, very basic, but yeah, I know, to make the thing easy, we should use the very easy exercises, but we should do them regularly. This is the activity of, as we already know, that the fitness is not the work or not the thing of 1 or 2 days. We have to do ourselves engage with these activities for the long time. Yeah, they give you perfect benefit, but you have to do in these activities for the long time. So I think you would like these activities, and you are going to perform them regularly and will post your videos too. Okay, thank you. So enjoy your workouts and post your videos too. So girls, yeah, here are your workouts in the present videos. You will see and enjoy your workouts and tell me how you are doing and post your videos too.